Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought about a couple of things that I recommend buying if you're getting yourself a C34km or a C44km. Now those of you out there that have bought one and owned one will know that the weakest spot of this truck is the plastic axle truss. Now there's a lot of weight that this is bearing, especially if you take a tumble. You get all the weight of the metal goodies bearing down on this, and as you can see I've got myself a casualty. So if you haven't bought one yet and you're looking into buying one, I highly recommend picking up a set of these metal axle trusses to go with it. Aluminium, and also the original plastic one isn't actually tapped, so when you come to screw in the brass fittings either side here and the one on top, it's quite a struggle. So these come already tapped and it makes installing them a breeze, and that's one thing I highly recommend getting, just so down the line if they do snap, you got them there ready to install. Now the next thing, luckily I had a couple of these spare in the kit, is the steering arm, the lower steering arm. As you can see, you've got a metal steering arm. It goes into a M2.5 threaded rod end. Now I've had countless hours of use out of this. If you're planning on getting technical and tricky, the chances are you could get hooked up on a rock, and the servo, happened to me yesterday, will actually pull, strip this, and you'll be obviously on the trail strip. So another thing I recommend buying is metal link rod ends, or I've seen them online. If you just go onto Banggood or AliExpress, just type in WPL upgrade and you can get a full metal bottom steering link. So you've got a metal link, and it also ties into metal rod ends as well. So it's just a couple of things that you can get yourself in preparation to make this thing an absolute indestructible little rig on the trail. Check out that steering angle. Amazing. So thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick one, just a heads up. Before I leave, I'll give this truck a 10 out of 10. Amazing. You got zero hookup on the C34km thanks to its newly designed reversed transfer box there. Extra long drive shafts, and it gives the nicest, slowest crawl that I've experienced with these little trucks so far. Another thing I could recommend is the C34km comes with a plastic geared servo, so you can pick up metal geared servos. I'll leave the links in the description for the ones that directly fit, and there's also servos available on the store. The C44km comes with a metal geared servo as standard. So cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.